The Fun and Hungry Alphabet by Joana and Felipe Paixão. A. This is Ellie, the alligator. Ellie adores apples. B. This is Bob, the bear. Bob likes banana bread. C. This is Chris, the cat. Chris is crazy for candy. D. This is Doug, the dog. Doug runs for delicious donuts. E. This is Ed, the elephant. Ed eats eggs every day. F. This is Flo, the flamingo. Flo fancies French fries. G. This is Gilbert, the gorilla. Gilbert doesn't like to grab grapes. H. This is Harry, the hippo. Harry is always hungry for hot dogs. I. This is Iggy, the iguana. Iggy loves to eat inside his igloo. J. This is Junior, the jellyfish. Junior jiggles when he drinks jabuticaba juice. K. This is Kate, the kangaroo. Kate keeps kicking her kiwis away. L. This is Lorenzo, the lion. Lorenzo loves to lick his lollipop. M. This is Mary, the mouse. Mary makes marvelous drinks with milk. N. This is Noah, the narwhal. Noah never finishes all her nice noodles. O. This is Ollie, the octopus. Ollie can hold on 8 oranges. P. This is Pablo, the pig. Pablo plays with his pretty popcorn. Q. This is Quack, the quail. Quack quietly lays her eggs on the quilt. R. This is Ricky the rabbit. Ricky is always ready to run to his rice. S. This is Sophia, the snake. Sophia stops to savor her special sandwich. T. This is Tony, the turtle. Tony thinks his tomato tea is terrific. U. This is Uffo, the unhappy unicorn. Uffo likes ultra yucky, ugly pizzas. V. This is Vicky, the vulture. Vicky likes her varied vegetables very much. W. This is Wendy, the whale. Wendy enjoys wonderful watermelons. X. This is Mr. X, the fox. Mr. X keeps 6 fruits in the box. U. This is Yay, the yak. Yay eats his yummy yogurt every day. Z. This is Zane, the zebra. Zane escaped the zoo to pick up zucchinis. And this is all the alphabet. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flamingo. G for gorilla. H for hippo. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mouse. N for narwhal. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for turtle. U for unhappy unicorn. V for vulture. W for whale. X for fox, U for yak, and Z for zebra. The end. I hope you have enjoyed our book. See you next time. Bye-bye.